My name is Heather, and I am from Luco Brothers Bakery in Normandy, Tennessee, and we participate in the Tullahoma Farmers Market selling our baked goods and produce. So today we have toffee-covered pretzels. We also make fresh baked strawberry cakes and toffee cake.
Kettle corn in the back with Tyler, who everyone seems to know, and Linda, who sells plants, and Mr. Campbell's got his strawberries that everybody loves. And we have pretzels and jams and jellies, fresh honey, lots of goodies, and homemade crafts and fresh cut flowers. And
this red here is crimson clover.
It's beautiful.
And we also grow vegetables. We use that as a cover crop. It helps keep soil erosion down. And then in the spring we till it under and it adds nutrients back to the soil. Everybody used to do that until no-till came along. And so that took care of the soil erosion, and they don't do it so much.
That's
but
beautiful.
my
Can you smell
husband,
one?
oh, of course. I'm surprised you can't smell them here.
I can.
Where I grew up in East Tennessee in the mountains, Cherokee National Forest, they were called piney roses.
Piney.
I think it's because the dark green, and they smell very much like a rose.
I'm Scott Tidwell, Triple T Cattle Farms. We're out at Bedford Lake. The Triple T started out as myself and two sons, but now it's 3 generations. We got my grandson in it too now. We bring 97% grass-fed beef here to the market. No antibiotics, no hormones in the feed. No hormone implants in the ears. A farmer can tell you he does not feed hormones, but yet he can put them in the ears, and he's not lied to you, but he's misled you. We sell halves, wholes, and quarters. We pay for the butchering and USDA inspection, even though we don't have to. That way, if we sell you 100 pounds of meat, you can look and add up where the butcher by law has to put the weight on it. You can add it up and be sure you got 100 pounds of meat. We sleep at night. We don't worry about you coming after us.
it is free to get in. We're here from March to the end of October, from 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock on Mondays.